Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlit Guide. I am Saurav Rokhale and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic The Charge of the Light Brigade on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Rokhale from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe the channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. The Charge of the Light Brigade is written by an English poet dash dash. Options are A. Alfred Lord Tennyson, B. William Shakespeare, C. William Wordsworth, or D. Robert Browning. Correct option is A. Alfred Lord Tennyson. Question number 2. Lord Tennyson was born on dash dash in Somersby, Lincolnshire, England. Options are A. August 6, 1709, B. August 6, 1810, C. August 8, 1809, or D. August 6, 1809. Correct option is D. August 6, 1809. Question number 3. Tennyson is the fourth of the 12 children of dash dash. Options are A. George and Elizabeth Tennyson, B. William and Susan Tennyson, C. George and Della Tennyson, or D. John and Emily Tennyson. Correct option is A. George and Elizabeth Tennyson. Question number 4. When did Lord Tennyson join Trinity College, Cambridge? Options are A. 1830, B. 1827, C. 1835, or D. 1842. Correct option is B. 1827. Question number 5. In 1829, Tennyson joined dash dash, an undergraduate club at Cambridge. Options are A. The Rotary, B. The Lions, C. The Postal, or D. The Elizabeth. Correct option is C. The Apostle. Question 6. What is the name of Tennyson's dear friend who died at the age of 22 in 1833? Options are A. William Wordsworth, B. Arthur Hallam, C. William Shakespeare, or D. John Keats. Correct option is B. Arthur Hallam. Question 7. What is title of the memorable poem that Tennyson had written on the death of Arthur Hallam? Options are A. The Lady of Shalott, B. Tithonus, C. Ulysses, or D. In Memoriam. Correct option is D. In Memoriam. Question 8. At the age of 41, Tennyson had established himself as the most popular poet of the dash dash. Options are A. Victorian era or age, B. Modern age, C. Romantic age, or D. Metaphysical age. Correct option is A. Victorian era or age. Question number 9. When was Tennyson appointed as the Poet Laureate of England? Options are A. 1858, B. 1852, C. 1850, or D. 1856. Correct option is C. 1850. Question 10. Who had been named Tennyson as the Poet Laureate? Options are A. Queen Elizabeth I, B. Queen Victoria, C. Queen Elizabeth II, or D. Queen Anne. Correct option is B. Queen Victoria. Question 11. Tennyson was died on October 6 dash dash and buried in Westminster Abbey. Options are A. 1896, B. 1892, C. 1893, or D. 1891. Correct option is B. 1892. Question 12. What does the Charge of the Light Brigade narrate or celebrate? Options are A. Heroism of a British Aviation Brigade, B. Heroism of a British Cavalry Brigade, C. Heroism of a British Medical Brigade, or D. Heroism of a British Ordnance Brigade. Correct option is B. Heroism of a British Cavalry Brigade. Question 13. What does the poem The Charge of the Light Brigade commemorate or memorialize? Options are A. Battle of Balaclava during the Crimean War, B. Battle of Balaclava during the Mexican War, C. Battle of Balaclava during the Korean War, or D. Battle of Balaclava during the Spanish War. Correct option is A. Battle of Balaclava during the Crimean War. Question 14. The Crimean War was fought between dash dash and an alliance. Options are A. Italy, B. Germany, C. England, or D. Russia. Correct option is D. Russia. Question 15. When was the Crimean War fought? Options are A. 1852 to 1858, B. 1853 to 1856, C. 1851 to 1853, or D. 1850 to 1853. Correct option is B. 1853 to 1856. Question 16. In the Crimean War, alliance of powers include France, Britain and the dash dash. Options are A. Ottoman Empire, B. Roman Empire, C. Mughal Empire, or D. Portuguese Empire. Correct option is A. Ottoman Empire. Question 17. In the war against Russia, out of 637,000, 247 British soldiers were killed. So the mission is called dash dash. Options are A. Wonderful Mission, B. Glorious Mission, C. Suicide Mission, or D. Victorious Mission. Correct option is C. Suicide Mission. Question 18. When was the poem The Charge of the Light Brigade written? Options are A. July 1854, B. May 1854, C. December 1854, or D. April 1854. Correct option is C. December 1854. Question 19. The Charge of the Light Brigade is a dash dash type of poem. Options are A. Symbolical, B. Philosophical, C. Allegorical, or D. Narrative. Correct option is D. Narrative. Question 20. The Charge of the Light Brigade was written to inspire dash dash during the Crimean War. Options are A. Turkey soldiers, B. British soldiers, C. Russian soldiers, or D. French soldiers. Correct option is B. British soldiers. Question 21. How many stanzas does the poem The Charge of the Light Brigade has? Options are A. 10, B. 9, C. 7, or D. 6. Correct option is D. 6. Question 22. Where were the Light Brigade heading? Or what did Tennyson nickname the valley where the British soldiers rode? Options are A. Valley of Death, B. Valley of Courage, C. Valley of Life, or D. Valley of 600. Correct option is A. Valley of Death. Question 23. How many soldiers were there in the British Light Brigade? Or how many British soldiers rode into the battle? Options are A. 556, B. 300, C. 600, or D. 566. Correct option is C. 600. Question 24. What order was given to the British soldiers by their commander? Options are A. Don't afraid of the enemy, B. Take care while fighting, C. Assault or attack against enemy, or D. Don't forget rules. Correct option is C. Assault or attack against enemy. Question 25. Why did the British soldiers ride to their death? Options are A. It was their duty, B. They want to prove themselves, C. They like to fight, or D. They obey their commander. Correct option is D. They obey their commander. Question 26. Why does Tennyson refer the valley as the Valley of Death? Options are A. Soldiers conquer the battle, B. Soldiers are sure to win the battle, C. Soldiers surrender in the battle, or D. Soldiers are sure to lose the battle. Correct option is D. Soldiers are sure to lose the battle. Question 27. Why does Tennyson repeat the line, rode the 600? Options are A. Arthur Hallam's request, B. It is Tennyson's style, C. To maintain rhyme scheme, or D. Show intensity of soldiers' sacrifice. Correct option is D. Show intensity of soldiers' sacrifice. Question 28. What kind of weapons are used by the British Light Brigade in the battle? Options are A. Rifles and swords, B. Spears and bombs, C. Bows and arrows, or D. Mortars and tanks. Correct option is A. Rifles and swords. Question 29. What kind of weapons are used by Russian soldiers against British soldiers? Options are A. Grenades and bombs. B. Cannons and rifles. C. Rocket launchers and LMG. Or D. Bomb and missile. Correct option is B. Cannons and rifles. Question 30. Someone commanded the soldier to charge for the guns. What does this mean? Options are A. Prepare guns before the battle. B. Charge guns before the war. C. Change the guns. Or D. Get guns from the barracks. Correct option is A. Prepare guns before the battle. Question 31. Not though the soldier knew, someone had blundered. Here, blunder means dash dash of the commander. Options are A. Wise decision. B. Nice decision. C. Good decision. Or D. Wrong decision. Correct option is D. Wrong decision. Question 32. The soldiers that survived the battle came through the dash dash of death and back from the mouth of hell. Options are A. Hills. B. Jaws. C. Mountains. Or D. Valley. Correct option is B. Jaws. Question 33. At the end of the poem, what adjective describes the 600 soldiers? Options are A. Trustworthy. B. Honorable. C. Noble. Or D. Courageous. Correct option is C. Noble. Question 34. What was the world doing while the battle was taking place? Options are A. Wandering. B. Running. C. Praying. Or D. Walking. Correct option is A. Wandering. Question 35. What is missing from the 6th stanza of the poem? When can their dash dash fade? Oh, the wild charge they made. Options are A. Soldiers. B. Charge. C. Light. Or D. Glory. Correct option is D. Glory. Question 36. In the 3rd stanza of the poem, where was one of the places that the cannons weren't aimed? Options are A. The back. B. The front. C. The left. Or D. The right. Correct option is A. The back. Question 37. The charge of the Light Brigade is narrated by dash dash narrator. Options are A. The commander. B. Soldiers. C. Chief of army. Or D. An omniscient or third person. Correct option is D. An omniscient or third person. Question 38. Whom does the pronoun he is used or referred to in line 6? Options are A. The poet. B. Soldier. C. Commander. Or D. Reader. Correct option is C. Commander. Question 39. Who flashed their sabers in the battle? Options are A. British commander. B. Russian soldiers. C. British soldiers. Or D. The poet. Correct option is C. British soldiers. Question 40. Whom did the British soldiers flash the sabers? Options are A. British and Germany. B. Russian and Cossack. C. France and Italy. Or D. India and China. Correct option is B. Russian and Cossacks. Question 41. Tennyson calls the British soldiers loyal, brave and dash dash. Options are A. Coward. B. Obedient or dutiful. C. Weaker. Or D. Plotter. Correct option is B. Obedient or dutiful. Question 42. How does Tennyson present or describe action of the brigade in The Charge of the Light Brigade? Options are A. Hates and loves. B. Praises and laments. C. Likes and dislikes. Or D. Love and envy. Correct option is B. Praises and laments. Question 43. The Charge of the Light Brigade is dash dash poem. Options are A. A joyous. B. An emotive, sensitive or emotional. C. An emotionless. Or D. A detached. Correct option is B. An emotive, or sensitive or emotional. Question 44. Who leads the British Light Cavalry during the Battle of Balaclava in the Crimean War? Options are A. Lord Cornwallis. B. Lord Dalhousie. C. Lord Wellesley. Or D. Lord Cardigan. Correct option is D. Lord Cardigan. Question 45. The charge of the Light Brigade is about a dash dash of British soldiers. Options are A. Failed military action, B. Successful military action, C. Fruitful military action, or D. Winning military action. The correct option is A. Failed military action. Question 46. What was the mode of transportation used by the British soldiers in the war? Options are A. Aeroplane, B. Elephants, C. Tanks, or D. Horses. Correct option is D. Horses. Question 47. In the fifth stanza, commenting on the result of the war, Tennyson says that they had fought so well, came through the jaws of death, back from the dash dash. Options are A. Entrance of heaven, B. Mouth of death, C. Mouth of hell, or D. Area of battlefield. Correct option is C. Mouth of hell. Question 48. The value of death is an example of dash dash. Options are A. Simile, B. Metaphor, C. Alliteration, or D. Personification. Correct option is B. Metaphors. Question 49. In the last stanza of the poem, while explaining soldiers' deed, Tennyson says, "When can their glory fade?" It is an example of dash dash question. Options are A. Rhetorical, B. Yes no, C. WH, or D. Funny. Correct option is A. Rhetorical. Question 50. The mouth of hell and the jaws of death are examples of dash dash. Options are A. Repetition, B. Metaphor, C. Alliteration, or D. Personification. Correct option is D. Personification. Question 51. At the end of the poem, Tennyson uses dash dash adjective to describe the 600 men. Options are A. Honorable, B. Noble, C. Brave, or D. Dutiful. Correct option is B. Noble. Question 52. Why did the mission refer in the poem is called a suicide mission? Options are A. Number of soldiers committed suicide, B. Out of 637,247 men in the charge were killed or wounded, C. Russian soldiers defeated them, or D. The morale of the British brigade was not high. Correct option is B. Out of 637,247 men in the charge were killed or wounded. Question 53. The war referred in the charge of the Light Brigade was fought on dash dash. Options are A. An open terrain, B. On the fort, C. Bottom of the fort, or D. In the castle. Correct option is A. An open terrain. Question 54. Cannon to the right of them, cannon to the left of them, cannon behind them. Describe the dash dash action of the British soldiers. Options are A. The brigade attacking the enemy, B. Defeated brigade march to return, C. Departure of the brigade for the mission, or D. The brigade gets victory over the enemy. Correct option is B. Defeated brigade march to return. Question 55. What do you mean by saber, the word used in the charge of the Light Brigade? Options are A. Bravery of the soldiers, B. Name of the battlefield, C. Name of the gun, or D. A sword with a V-shaped blade and a slightly curved handle. Correct option is D. A sword with a V-shaped blade and a slightly curved handle. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.